Want to know how to understand the types of method or all types of methods in Java? So let's make sense of all methods that exist in Java under a minute. So first up, we got a static method. Static method belongs to the class. You call them without creating any object. Super simple and easy. This is the easier one. Next up, we got instance methods. These instance methods belong to objects. You need an object to call them. So make sure you create an object before calling the instance method. Next is the abstract method. What an abstract method does is they're declared without code, meant to be defined later by another class. And that's it. Super simple and easy. In an easier way, we can say that static is a global helper, instance is a behavior of objects, and abstract is planned action for future classes. Once you know this, you'll understand how Java truly separates structure from behavior. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.